Hi, in this video I'll show you how to clean the focusing screen in Canon AE-1 program. I love this particular model AE-1 program because it has some nice features. For example, easy replacement of the focusing screen. Canon AE-1 doesn't have this feature. To get the focusing screen out, just pull this latch in this direction. And that is. Ideally, you should have plastic tweezers, but I don't have one, so I use gloves. Clean the focusing screen with an enema or with a natural brush. This is a very important moment. The brush must be natural, as plastic fibers can leave scratches. I can't recommend using alcohol here, simply because I have never done it and I don't know if alcohol can affect the focusing screen. If you have experience cleaning with alcohol, let me know in the comments. After cleaning, install the screen in reverse order. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful.